No. I can't stay in prison for my whole life for a crime that I have not committed. What is happening with me? Who killed my friend Dapkupar? And why? But how could my fingerprints come on his cup? Who is framing me in this crime? First of all, I must find a way to get out of here. But how?
Good evening. Now the news headlines. Mr. Larry, renowned film director, has been arrested in connection with the murder of his friend, film producer Mr. Dapkupar. It may be noted, Mr. Dapkupar was poisoned to death while attending a film workshop at Hotel Paradise. Further investigation is going on.
Your lawyer wants to meet you. You have only 10 minutes. Make it quick.
If I could have make it quick, I would not been here. I'm Paul. And I am a lawyer. I had never seen you before. Who sent you? Maybe someone who think you are innocent. Now what do you say? Do you want to stay in, or you want to be out? Who might want to favor me in this situation? There is something behind this screen. I had met your family. They had expressed their helplessness to deal in such situations. So, should I fight this case for you? Yes. Take me out. You had bring a proposal that I could not reject. Fine, now listen carefully. The only way to get out of here is on medical ground. So what is your plan? You have to pretend that you are not feeling well. Rest, leave it to the doctor. By the way, your wife is also here. Sandy. Yes. I need to finish some paper clearance for her to visit you.
As a lawyer, you might be aware that a person with murder crime is not allowed for many visitors.
But I think I had provided the court's approval for Mrs. Larry to visit her husband.
Mrs. Larry, you gets only 5 minutes.
What has happened to our happy family? Whose evil eyes has fallen upon us?
Honey, stop crying. I'm innocent. I haven't killed my friend.
Yes, I trust you. You are a kind man. You wouldn't do such things.
As truth always win in the end. I surely will get justice. By the way, do you know Mr. Paul before?
Who? The lawyer? No, I thought you two were friends.
Not a friend before. But I guess I must now.
I don't understand at all. What's going on, honey?
I'm too confused. But I think Mr. Paul knows something more about what is happening. I had to find out who is behind all this.
Hope everything goes fine.
Sure, honey, let's keep faith. And yeah, take care of yourself. Many eyes will be watching us.
Yes. You two also take care.
Mr. Larry, you may meet the doctor now, but alone. Officer, you please wait here.
No problem.
So, Mr. Larry, what is your blood group?
I know you. I had seen you. Yes. I saw you at the residence of my friend, Dapkupar. I remember now, you are his family doctor.
Stop. Let me make you understand that I had a deal with your lawyer.
Mr. Paul.
Yes. And for your kind information, I don't have any interest in such business. Now fill up your details in this form so that I may start my business. And if someone asks you about your past health history, say that you are a kidney patient since 5 years.
Seems like I'm on the red bus.